Something big is unfolding in Yemen, and the Gulf power balance is shifting. A former ally has pulled back, a new sponsor has stepped in, and now Saudi Arabia is moving with bold, expensive plan. The United Arab Emirates just withdrew its forces from southern Yemen. After months of supporting the local separatists, the UAE all of a sudden pulled back, leaving a vacuum and fight for influence. At the center of all of it stands Saudi Arabia, ready to take the control here. Riyadh announces a massive $500 million package for Yemen. $500 million for development projects to rebuild cities, hospitals, schools, roads, electricity, and to give hope to people who have suffered for long. No, this is not charity, this is power politics. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri. With the UAE stepping back, Saudi Arabia is claiming influence not just militarily but economically, socially, and politically. Former UAE territory is now under Saudi influence. Key cities, islands, strategic locations, they are all now being rebuilt under Riyadh's authority. Even the island of Socotra is set for development, including a major mosque named after Saudi king. But you know why this matters so much? Yemen. This place has been torn apart for over a decade. Iran-backed Houthi, North versus South battle, millions of lives disrupted. The UAE once dominated southern Yemen, and now Saudi Arabia is stepping in with money, plans, and strategic control. But yes, there is a larger game here. Saudi Arabia and the UAE, once close allies, they are now just not tuning up. What was a collision, it is turning into rivalry, and Yemen is the stage. Saudi Arabia is sending a clear message here. We are the main backer of Yemen's government. No outsourcing, no shortcuts, just direct investment and direct influence. This $500 million package, it is huge. It could mean hospitals for civilians, schools for children, roads connecting communities, fuel bringing power back to towns. In fact, hope for families who are battered by the war. But it also puts Saudi Arabia in control here, in rebuilding, in policy, in shaping Yemen's future. In fact, experts warn that this shift, it could change the entire Gulf power balance. How? With the UAE withdrawing and Saudi Arabia stepping up with both money and influence, the balance of power in Yemen, it is tilting fast. So in the end, ladies and gentlemen, here's the final thought. This isn't just development. This isn't just aid. This is power, quite bold and strategic. $500 million projects on the ground and new chapter in Yemen's crisis.